Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Frances and I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, and today I'll be sharing with you home decor haul from H&M and Target. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So today, as you can see, I'm actually filming from my family room. So this is the cozy room, the multifunctional room that I did mention in our Vlogmas mini family room tour last year. If you want to go ahead and check that out, I'll link that down below in the description box. But yes, so in this room we're more of a black and white palette with a hint of neutrals. As you can see, our brown couch from CB2. This one actually is the Lenyx couch in the extra large size. I love this couch. It's so comfy. It gives a pop of color to this room. Our formal living room, it's more of a more neutral, more beiges and whites. I'll also be sharing with you today how I decorated all the autumn decor that I got for my last video from Target and HomeGoods. So let's get started. Let's talk about how I decorated my house. My last haul was from HomeGoods and Target, and I'm so excited to share with you what and how I decorated our autumn decor all around the house. So as you can see here, the two ceramic pumpkins that I did get from Target, I put them on our ladder bookshelves, and I just incorporated it into our everyday home decor. And behind me you can see Fluted vase that I got from HomeGoods. I use it as a floral vase, and it's just sitting here on top of our antique fireplace, on top of the Decor book. What's also nice is that this centerpiece, this is actually the centerpiece that we used for our baby shower. This vase is from Studio McGee last spring 2020, I believe. All of these, the pumpkin is handpicked by me and my husband, and it's about to hit me in the face. The little bunny tails my sister ordered, and then the pussy willow, as well as the dried palm leaves. My sister set these up. I sent her the inspo pics for centerpieces that I wanted because we did have a neutral baby shower theme, but we ended up reusing these for decorative pieces for our living room. So here you can see that on either sides of the TV in our living room. It's such a cute look. Obviously for Christmas I'm going to probably switch out the stems to a more holiday theme, but pumpkins I love is because they are so universal. You can make it look beachy in your house, very natural. But yeah, I love this, how it turned out, and just can't wait to just move it around the house. Find a new spot each time. Now we're gonna go ahead and start with H&M Home. So a lot of people don't know this, but H&M does have a home decor section, and I absolutely love the pieces that I got because there are a lot of neutral items that I absolutely love for the house, that they'll last throughout the year. It's not just seasonal. So because you know my aesthetic is more neutral, these items were the ones that caught my eye. Recently H&M had a 20% sale on their entire website, so I went ahead and snagged a lot of baby items and a lot of home decor items and also fashion items. So my next video, keep an eye out for that. I will go ahead and do an H&M try-on haul for you for all the items that I got. And speaking of fashion, this outfit is actually from H&M. It's a cute, this is a two-piece. This is a bolero sweater top. It's a neutral, it's ribbed, and then it has a matching ribbed dress. It's a tank top underneath. So I'll go ahead and show you this for a second. Go ahead and show you that. And if you're new here, this is my belly at 8 months pregnant. So I am due early December, and so baby and me are just nesting with hubby at home. I'm officially on maternity leave from nursing school, and I did recently quit my job. So we are totally nesting 100% here at House of CasLla. Let's go ahead and start, and I'll show you what I got. So first, like I mentioned, I did shop for baby. I did shop for the baby's clothes. I grabbed a lot of neutral items, but they're currently in the wash because we are trying to pack our hospital bags. You know, we want to be 100% prepared, even though we know you can't be 100% prepared before baby comes, but we just want to make sure we actually have the hospital bag ready. But all of the neutral clothes are so cute, a lot of cute pieces. We still don't know the gender for the baby, so a lot of gender neutral stuff. Just had the baby's baby shower. We celebrated the baby's baby shower on my birthday this past October 2nd, and the theme was neutral rainbow. So here was our invitation on the screen. And so the theme of the nursery, which is still under construction, and I'm excited to share with you how that's going to turn out, is rainbow. And so I got some items from H&M, like this pillow case cover. It's a neutral rainbow, not even neutral, it's just like monochrome, right? It's beige and it's canvas style. So I really love this. A hack to save money: if you ever want to switch out your pillows, like your couch pillows or your bedroom pillows, buy pillowcases. Don't buy throw pillows. Like, you're just gonna be stuck with all of these pieces, these pillows that take up so much space, and I would say go with pillowcases instead. And you could just switch them out because the sizes are pretty standard all around. You just gotta make sure you know the sizes of the pillow inserts that you have. And then next, to match this pillowcase cover, we got actually a little canvas basket to put the baby's toys or even like dirty laundry, or just a little mini laundry basket for the baby. I actually do have some onesies in here that are already washed and organized, and some burp cloths. But yeah, this was a really cute detail to have a neutral item. Since I was talking about pillowcases, we actually got 2 of these. I think these were taupe color, taupe, and size 20 by 20, and they're linen material. They're perfect. They're a zip up in the back, and I put this one actually replaced our Target throw pillows that I got from Studio McGee last spring. I replaced those inserts and put them in this pillowcase, and they bring the cutest, the prettiest taupe neutral vibe to our living room. And I'll go ahead and show that here, how I decorated that on the couch or in our sectional. I just wanted to show you how it looked without being on a pillow. So it's great material, it's soft, it's not, you know, rough or doesn't pill so far. I've had it for about 2 weeks or a week and a half, and yeah. And then next, I'm more into, like, I guess Scandinavian Nordic type of home decor, or my eye just leans more towards all that abstract art. But I just want to show you this bathroom rug that I got for our guest bathroom. Not sure if it fits in the frame, but you can see the tones, the black, the white, and the beige. But it's pretty abstract. It's soft. On the top, it's not like harsh on your feet. There's nothing that will poke you, but it's a really cute rug to have, and this will go in our guest bathroom, which is where the baby will be taking their baths in the future. And so next, let's move on to our home decor accessories. Like I said, I went with a lot of neutral items, and I actually got these 2 muted orange candlesticks. I love this detail. They're fluted. You can see here. And then I actually got these 2 candle holders. There, if you can see that. Got 2 of them just because they're like brownish orange, not really too orange, but the hint of color is a pop of color that matches like our brown tones within the house, and I just insert them here. And I put them here on our TV stand. I'll go ahead and show you how that is styled. But they're really cute. I actually love these. These are really inexpensive, like under 10 bucks, probably under 7 or 8 bucks too. That was also the benefit from 20% off the entire website on H&M. And also, as a H&M Rewards member, you're constantly, if you know, the more you shop, obviously, the more rewards you get. Like, I'm constantly getting 20%, 25% off, like my whole shopping cart, or like one expensive item, or like the code will apply to all of the items that I have in my basket. And it's like for the entire website. It's for baby, it's for me, for like my birthday. Recently I got like a 20% for my birthday, and they just always have flash sales too. So it's really great. I have a lot of neutral items, neutral home decor, and obviously fashion, so yes. Next is this little mini vessel. This is so cute. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little abstract. It reminds me of like the vases that we have from West Elm that I usually get, but this one's really cute. It's probably like, I don't know, 4 inches or so. Probably put it in our bathroom on the counter. Kind of put some pumps in it to look like a little diffuser or not, you know, but just a little cute hint that you can add to your home. And then another vessel or candle holder, if you will. This shape is very interesting, very abstract. I love this because it's like an off-white color. It's a little speckled. I mean, you can see here in the bottom, this is actually the top where the candles can go. Since I have these here, I could just show you how they insert there. I actually styled this on our entry console table, and I don't put any candles in it, but you can if that's your style. I love it how it looks by itself. It looks like a phone, but it's really cute. This one is very inexpensive as well. It's probably under 15 bucks. And as always, I will go ahead and link everything down below in the description box, as well if they're available, and if they're unavailable, I'll go ahead and link similar items that I can find for you guys. And if you have shopped with H&M before, you know that they are really known for their odd shaped, irregular shaped vessels. And one of them that I got is this very neutral taupe vessel. It's very cute. It has a handle here, a little tiny narrow opening on the top, and it's just very great quality for the price. This was also very inexpensive with a 20% discount code. I will link that here below in the description box. I also got one that's a little shorter and a little stubbier. It's more wide. That one didn't come in this shipment, but I got that one as well as this black vessel. I'll link it here or show here on the screen. Those two are on their way still, and I'm excited to share them with you because I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate those into my holiday decorating for autumn and for Christmas, which I'm so excited for because I'm starting to add things to my cart from the Target Wonder Shop and like Crate and Barrel. We went to go visit them. I did snag a few Christmas items from Target just today, and I'm so excited to start those because there's like a hint of, we're aiming for a more neutral white and beige and browns this year. Last year I went with black and white and a hint of like green garland, but we might do the green garland again this year because it's so much easier. But who knows, since the baby will be arriving before Christmas, who knows if we'll have any time for that. So we're gonna try to get that started right before Thanksgiving. So moving on to Target. So these are not new pieces. I mean, they are just in the sense of the color that they came in. But CasLla, obviously, everybody raves about CasLla, and I still am such a big fan of CasLla. I highly recommend CasLla, the Clarity Scented Collection from Target, like the room spray, the diffuser. All of those are such goodies, and especially the candle. Like I'm like running out of candles, so I have to keep going to each Target to make sure I stock up so I don't run out before the next one runs out. But yeah. So since my last video, I actually purchased two ceramic pumpkins. The purpose of them are as serving dishes, but I did use them as, I used one of them actually for like a floral vase. If you follow me on Instagram, which I'll link here below, you'll see that I did style that pumpkin on our coffee table in the living room. So here are the silk pillowcases that I got from CasLla. These are in the color warm brown, I believe. Sorry, you can hear my cocktail glasses shaking because the wine fridge is actually running right now. And yeah, so we got two, one for me and Reggie for standard pillowcase. These are a little pricey, you know, they're like 30 bucks each, I believe, but you know, they're worth the money just because, you know, there's other luxury brands that cost way more than these CasLla pillowcases. And you know, obviously silk pillowcases, some people ask me why do you have them? It's because it prevents breakage in your hair, and if you do wash them every week, you know, it helps with your skin, free from dirt, and it's breathable for your skin when you put your face on it. So that's that. And then next, we actually do already have this, but we got another knit blanket from the CasLla collection. Literally just got this one today. This is also in the warm brown color, so it matches this pillowcase. So you can see this is actually going to be for our bedroom. This is going to be thrown onto our like the foot of the bed because we do already have this knitted blanket in the color natural and it's in a full queen size. I do place that natural colored one in the living room just for us when we want to cuddle up and watch movies in the living room. But this one we got in a size king, and I just love the color. It matches our couch. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a great color, great neutral tone. And like last year I mentioned, I did purchase a few of these blankets to give as Christmas gifts. They're a great gift. Honestly, like, yes, some kids can like pull through here the knitted part, but this is not, it says it's not, there's another chunky one that they have, but this one is a better chunky blanket. So if you're interested in getting a knitted blanket from Target that's modern and chic and is good quality, go ahead and snag this one. Alright everyone, so that is all I have to share with you from today's H&M and Target home decor haul. I hope you enjoyed all of the items that I got here today, and if you have any questions or any difficulty with the links down below, let me know. I'm so happy to help. Share in the comments down below, what was your favorite piece? How would you have decorated it differently, if any at all? And stay tuned because next video I will be sharing with you an H&M try-on haul for all the clothing that I got from this 20% sale. Yeah, so I will hopefully see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Hope you come again. Bye!